Hello, and today in this video I'm going to be talking about Weebly as a website builder. To start off, when you're creating your website, you get asked to add a store now or later, and if you want to do it now you click yes, and if you don't want to do it now and you want to do it later you click not now. On the right you get to add credit cards and add your store now so people can purchase off your website, but for now I'm going to say not now. First of all, you get brought to this screen, which is your themes page. You get to select from multiple themes for different categories from business, portfolio, personal, event, blog, and other. So I'll just go through them. But for now, I'm just going to go with something basic like the first one. At the start, at the next screen, it brings you to a preview of the theme that which you've selected to see if it is what you want for your page. So for now, I'm just going to click yes, and I'm going to click start editing, which is going to create my site, and then it should bring me to the next screen, which is the domain page. So it should give me the option of clicking a free subdomain, which is .weebly.com, or if I want to type in my own one, which I'm just going to get mywebsite.com. So I don't have the Weebly in my domain, which is also going to charge me a package. So I'm just going to say, for example, BeReal TWO, and see is it free. Oh, BeReal 2 is free, as in it's available to select, and then I'm going to click continue under the .com. And then this will bring me to packages, as in the price of packages it should cost me. This should be €4 a month, €6 a month, €8 a month, and 17 a month. This is for Connect, Starter, Pro, and Business choices. So underneath this, it's going to give me the features that which each package provides. So for the first one, it'll be unlimited storage for just the last three and not the first one. Connect your domain has all of them, and vice versa for members, video backgrounds, for password protection, etc. So I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go back, and then instead of clicking, it's going to go back. So instead of picking the first one, which is the one that you have to pay a package for, I'm just going to be picking the third one, which is the .weebly.com under BeReal2.weebly.com. So I'm going to continue. That means that's my domain picked. That's the free domain which Weebly provides. And then from here we're pretty much brought to the editor for Weebly. This is where we can edit anything we like from the top of the page to the bottom of the page. We get to edit it, BeReal2 page. I get to say anything, get to make the text bigger, smaller, get to underline it, get to make it bold, get to change the color. We get to edit the picture in the background, edit background, replace, get to change it to anything. I'll put a picture for mine, let's pick this one. So change it to an army. I'll just click cancel because I don't want to change it for now, make it more visually nice from this picture. Then I get to edit all this text. If I want to add to it, I get to change the images, I get to add text underneath. All of this is done by dragging items from the element bar on the left hand side to the right. So from titles, the top, to slideshows, which I get to drag and drop. So I get to choose from thumbnails on the bottom with 1 to 8, top, right, and double thumbnails on the right. This gives you a nice look to your page when you add them. You get to put embedded code, which allows you to make revolving text from left to the right of the screen if you know the code to input in the embedded code. This which you'll have to look up if you don't. This which you can go into great detail, but it'll be a longer video provided. You can add a map to your page. Your map then would be, I'll just say for example it starts off with this one, but you get to change it. You get to change it to Ireland, Galway, as I'm from Galway. That change, Ireland, and then Galway. This should change. So now it's changed to Galway. So you get to alter the size. See this grid formation that it keeps everything in stacks. This is great for when you're changing to your phone or any other device. So on the left, I'll just go through a few things. So it starts off with title and text, image, gallery, brings the whole way down to add HD videos, audio, documents, YouTube videos if you want, flash videos. Pretty much covers everything that you get to add to your page and alter the layout, which is all in grid formation, so it look great. Then on the very top, on the other navigation bar, it shows your pages. So you get to add more pages. So if you want to, say, add more alternative pages, you add it here and you rename it, and then you can have a menu so you can go from one page to the next. You can change your theme at any stage. You can go back and change the color, you can change the fonts, the theme options, or you can go to store, where if you clicked at the very start that you wanted to not upload your store to your page at that specific time, you get to also do it now rather than later if you wanted to. Then you can get to close that. You can add apps, so you can have spike scales, boost traffic on your website, so many options. Then settings, if you want to go into further detail of what you want to do about your page, is done here. Or help, where you get to contact the actual help of the website, so you can get further help if you have any questions or any problems with their software. I feel like in this short tutorial of the website, I feel like it's covered a lot. So from this, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you.